Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel Accreditor and Tech. So in this part of the video, I'll be walking you through how you can file your company annual returns so for your company. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a like and make sure you share to someone that's going to be needing it. So now before we dive into the video, let me quickly tell you what an annual return is. So what is an annual return? So annual return is just a yearly report. You have to file with CAC on yearly basis to keep them updated about your business profile. Now, this is what it means. Like if there is a change in the director, if there is a change in the address, and if there is a change in the PLC, so you have to keep all this profile updated on yearly basis with CAC. So this is the return you have to file with CAC. So it's different from filing your tax reports with the tax regulatory body in Nigeria. So this annual return has to be filed with CAC on yearly basis, and before you can file it, you have to be an accredited agent. So if you don't have an accredited agent portal, you won't be able to do it. So if you are not an accredited agent, so you won't be able to file the annual return. So it has to be filed by an agent. So that's it. So in this video, I will just walk you now. What you want to do is to go to the post incorporation section of the portal. So you have to log into your portal. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So I'm gonna click here. So once I click here, you are going to see post inc, which is post incorporation. You click on it. So if you are doing the annual return for business name, which I've done on this channel, you have not watched the video, kindly check my channel to watch how to do the business name annual return filing. So we are going to be doing for the company. So you have to click on other entity. So I'm going to click on other entity. Okay, now once it's come to other entity, so what you want to do is to come to the search bar here. So you can enter the registration number, you can enter the name of the company, the email or the address of the company, or the phone number that's been registered with the company. So all this can be used to search the company. So what I want to do is I'm going to paste here. I have the name copy already. Then I'm going to click on search. So once I click on search, it's going to bring out the details of the company. So I'm just going to scroll to this side, as you can see. So I'm going to click on proceed to dashboard. So once I click on proceed to dashboard, once I click on dashboard, it's going to bring out the names of the company and the RC number and other thing we can do by the left right side there. So but what we want to focus on is the annual return. So as you can see, I have one pending. So some of the have been filed and approved. So what I want to click on is to click on start annual return company filing. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up this section. So if it is a company that has been filing the annual return, it's going to show the year that has been filed, the year that is pending, and the year that is in process, and the year that are yet to be filed. So in this case, we are going to be filing for the year that we are yet to file for, so which is going to be 2024. So I'm going to click on it. So once you select the year you want to file for, you click on submit. So once you click on submit, it's going to load up the details of the company, so which is the name, the RC, the address, the total share capital, then the annual general meeting. So you just have to choose the date, which is the 31st of December 2024. So if it is 2025, it's going to be 31st of December 2025. So if you are filing for 2021, it's going to be December 31st 2021. So once you choose that, you choose the type of company. So this company is just private company limited by shareholder than small. So what you want to do is to come here. So this here statement of capital details, you can leave that. So every place that is not asterisk in red, so you can leave them as but once it is asterisk in red, you have to provide the information. So here, if you want to update your company address, so this is where you do it. So you just have to click here, company secretary. So if you want to update it, so you have to add the company secretary. So if your company doesn't have a company secretary, if you want to update the information of the director, the share issue details. So if you want to update it, so this is where you do it. So the shareholder details, if you want to edit it or add to it, so this is where you do it as well. Okay, so once you are done filling the information, what you want to do is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask for the full name of the company affiliate, which means someone that is affiliated to the company, so it can be the secretary, the director. So in this case, I'm going to be making use of the director of the company. So then under the designation, you tell them the position the person is holding. So here the person is the director. So then you click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it's going to come to the PSC section. So if you don't have a PSC, you have to add a PSC. So I'll be showing you in another video how to add a PSC, because some company doesn't bring the PSC, so you have to add it separately. So once it is added, then you click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it's going to take you to the preview section of the company. So you have to check everything and be sure that you are filing for the right year, everything, the address, everything is correct. So once everything is correct, what you want to do is to come down here and click on proceed to payment. Okay, so once you proceed to payment, it's going to show the fee. So it varies these days. So this is for this particular company, and the late penalty fee, because they fail to file the annual return at the appropriate time, so CAC is going to charge them a penalty fee. It depends on the company, so I can't say if it is fixed. It's not fixed, it depends on the company. So this for this particular company, so what I want to do is to click on remitter. So I'm going to be making the payment quickly. So you can choose different payment method, so I'm gonna come here. So okay, so I want to get my remitter RR code in case there's a EGBT. So I click on bank transfer. So I'm going to be making the payment with bank transfer. So you copy the account details, and the account details that is popping up on your screen when you are doing yours is what you are going to be copying on this one. So ensure the exact amount is being paid. So I'm gonna quickly make the payments, then we just wait for you to confirm it as well. Okay, so my payments have went through successfully. So as you can see, so here what you want to do is to upload your statement of account if you have it. So there's this place in which you have to input the total turnover of the business for that particular year, then the total net asset for that particular year as well. So you have to input it. So you upload the statement of account, so which is optional. If you have it, you can upload it. If you don't have it as at this moment, so if you don't have it, you can just simply click on submit application. So I will advise, if you have it, just to upload it. So but if you haven't run a corporate account in the business name, so you can just leave it, and since you don't earn or have any money in the name of the business with that particular name. So what I will just advise you, if you have it, to upload it. So what I want to do is to just submit my application. So it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to proceed? So I'm going to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, so it's going to say submitted. So as you can see, it's now pending to approve. So I'm going to wait till they approve it. So when they approve it, I will just come to the approve section. So once I come to the approve section, it's going to list it here. Then I'm going to be able to download my acknowledgement letter. So or if there is any issue, the query is going to move to query. So if you find value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you know you want me to help you to handle this process seamlessly, so you can use the link in the description box below. You can look the link in the description box below to reach out to me, so that I can help you handle it seamlessly. So thank you, and see you in the next part of the video.